morning, this is Ben All with Bellamax Realty Group at Keller Williams. Today we're at 7944 Kendra Lane in North Richland Hills. This is an amazing little neighborhood. It's kind of quiet, tucked away off of Bursey Road. You've got parks very close by, and this field feeds to some of the best schools in the Birdville School District. Just a classic little neighborhood. Most of these homes were built in the 90s, and they're just gorgeous homes. So come on in, let's take a look at this house. We're 2,300 square foot, single story, just got a lot of charm throughout this house. So I'm really excited for you guys to take a look at it. Thanks. So as you come in, you can see that you've got just this very classic style to this home. You've got formal area off to the left here. It can be used either as a dining room, a second living area, an office. You've got great pocket doors. You've got moldings throughout. Just a really nice classic look to this house. You've got wood floors. In the main living area here, we've got a brick wood-burning fireplace. Again, an open, inviting, warm space. So the house is really kind of structured in such a way that you've got central living areas, 3 bedrooms and a bathroom on one side, master is on the opposite side, so great privacy in that regard. So we're going to take a walk over here and go through the what could be the formal living room. So again, one of the things I really love about this floor plan is you get just great flexibility. High ceilings, very light and bright. You've got great sight lines through this formal dining area into what could be the study. It just depends on how you want to live and what you need to use the rooms for. Off of this space, you go into the kitchen. So again, another really bright open area here. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. You've got access into the kitchen from the garage through your utility room. We've got an eating breakfast area. We've got beadboard wainscoting in here. Just a really nice, comfortable kitchen area space. And then off of the kitchen here, you've got an entry to the backyard, as well as then the master is in the back corner back here. So again, super large space, like 2,300 square feet, but they've done a great job in utilizing the space. You've got tile floors throughout the master and the master bath. The master bath has been beautifully updated, and in this entire suite, you're just very private, very light, high ceilings, a lot of architectural interest in here. And in the master bathroom, you've got granite countertops, you've got a tub, as well as a standalone shower and master closet. So a beautiful area, nicely updated, very comfortable for you to work in and in. Over on the other side of the house, we've got 3 additional bedrooms, as well as a full bath. So again, you've got just great utilization of the space in this house, and it's very comfortable and easy to live in. So down the hallway here, you've got 3 separate bedrooms. The one at the very back of the house, quite large, very generous, walk-in closet space, and you've just got really a bright room here. You've also then got a middle room. These guys are currently using it as a playroom for their kids, but just another very generous bedroom with a walk-in closet. And then at the front of the house, you've got the 3rd bedroom on this side, as well as the full bath. All right, so as we go out through the door into the backyard, I just want you to notice how private and just really comfortable this backyard area is. You've got a great patio space back here. There is a storage building back here as well. Really nice storage building. I believe it's an 8x12 building. And I just want you to notice how wonderful the backyards in this neighborhood are. Great oak trees, great shade, just a really serene, quiet area for you to enjoy back here. Great neighbors in this area. So again, give me a call, Ben All with Keller Williams. Love to show you this property, let you guys have a look at it and see whether this is the right home for you.